guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I will be filming my dorm room unpacking kind of situation here. I'm mostly just like unpacking all my clothes, hanging them up, putting them away in the beginning of this video, and then towards the end I went and picked up a couple of things from IKEA, Home Goods, and Target. So I'll do like a little mini haul at the end. Other than that, please keep watching. So this is my room. It's really a mess right now. I just got in a couple days ago and everything is just out here. This is my roommate's side, and then this is my side. But I'm going to start, I already started and then I forgot to like vlog. I'm gonna start putting together my room, or at least try to. I did a little bit of shopping yesterday. I got this comforter, I'm washing it right now. And then I got like 2 throw pillows, like they're just like 2 black throw pillows. So me and my roommate's theme this year is gonna be like black and white. So yeah, black and white with like hints of pink. Last year my room was gray with pink and rose gold. Yeah, girl. So I'm about to go through this box that I brought back from home. These are just things that I need to put in my drawer. I hung up some things in here. Then I have that bag, and this bag for clothes left. And then I'm on to the next, which will probably be my bed. Yeah. IKEA today, or the first place we got to. Yeah, girl. Okay guys, I just got a pillow and a pillowcase. I got that kind of pillow, I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. I think this rug is really cute. It's like black and white and stuff. I don't know about the whole straight. It's kind of giving me like zebra vibes. I don't know, but it's like, it's one that's like not fully white and one that's not fully black. So it might work. I like it. Or there's this rug. It's less distracting and less like zebra print. I actually like that one better. Yeah. But it's just a little bit smaller than the other one. So I don't know. This mirror, guys. It pulls out. Like you can put it on a wall and then like pull it in or pull it out. That's cute. like this deer moment. Like I do want to do this, but it's kind of too big for my vibe. Like I only have a small space to work with. I also love these little things and this lash. I would so get this lash one, but it comes with this one. I don't know what I would do with this one. But the lash to die for, guys. So cute. Okay, guys, so we're at Home Goods now.
For like shampoo bottles or it's $7.
Love Home Goods. It's the place to go. Oh, this is cute. I have something like that, but it's not this big. Oh, this one.
You know, for like your
yes.
it's like it's $80.
That's cute. What is this? Oh, it's like I love that though.
Do you want this one?
No, I don't. Not the rose gold.
Not the rose gold.
It's not the hats this year. Just look at it. It's just like everything you want and need.
Remember these were the thing? I still have mine.
I have mine too, like this. We're changing this year a tad bit. See, like you need something like, oh well, you don't need it anymore because you're gonna stroll it in. But like this to hang up the mirror. Yes, I wanted to get an acrylic stand for all my shebangs.
Look.
Oh, that's so cute. Bless.
Bling.
I know that literally like shines. I want to get a little thingy for my thingies.
If the plate wasn't on the bottom like that, that's ugly, but
Oh,
this whole
that's
thing.
cute. Yeah, this is what we had at my store. Actually, this exact one. We had that at Mahina.
Shout out to Hina.
Right? Oh, shoot.
How much is the? Oh, this one's $6,
I know. I like
Evie, this
this one though. Love that. The palm trees in the... No, those are feathers. I'm dead. She tried it. Look at this. I don't know why I'm so into like deer thingies.
Easy, you know why? Because
We like deers. Love.
if you know, you know.
Oh, I always wanted one of these things. Okay. See, if we come back and this is all the way at the bottom, that's how you know we spent too much time in here. Definitely the place I wanted to come for like decoration. Look at all these stools.
We never went upstairs.
Oh, I don't think upstairs has anybody. Oh wait, at IKEA or at school?
IKEA.
Oh, we need to find them. I don't know, the ones at IKEA were cute, but I want to see other places, you know? I need to find some wall decor. Oh, there's some mirrors over there too. That's cute, looking sharp. This is so cute, guys, but it's literally just lashes and a glass frame for $25. We're gonna try and DIY this. We're gonna try our best to DIY this. I don't know how this works. Okay, guys, so we found. Oh, that was so ugly.
Found a
We
mirror.
found a mirror.
Guess how much it is? $5.
$5 freaking dollars, guys. Oh
I
my
bought
gosh,
a 30.
Wait, it's making me look fat though. I don't know about that. Just kidding.
I'm dead.
I'm just kidding. No, I'm not kidding, but I'm kidding. So we're gonna get these because it's only $5. The one that we saw at IKEA was like $30. And I bought, you guys will see, but I bought a mirror stand at Home Goods, so we'll just make this work. Yeah, girl. Oh, I love this one. Nancy, we have to put some of these in our apartment.
How much is it?
The white, oh, the... Hey guys, so I am back in my dorm room. I'm doing a little haul for you guys. Just from what I bought yesterday. So I'll start off with IKEA because that's the first place we went to. As you guys already saw, I just bought this pillow. This kind of pillow, I don't know, I want to try it out. Because I have really bad like neck and I don't know, I just want to try it out. And it's like a soft like microfiber, whatever shebang like that. Then I just got the pillowcase that was right next to it, but I don't think this is like the one I want to go for because it's kind of like stiff, and I feel like this is just a like a topper just like to put under it before you put on an actual pillowcase. I don't know, so I'm not too sure if I'm gonna keep this or not. And then that's all I got from IKEA. I didn't end up getting the white mirror from there. As you can see, or as you guys saw, I got like the mirror from Target. And since we're talking about the mirror, I'll go to that. So from Target, I just got this mirror. I mean, typical mirror. I don't know why I'm showing you guys a mirror. You guys already saw it. And also from Target, I just got this whiteboard for me and my roommate, just because I wanted to hang it up on the wall right before we like walk out. We can see like things that we need to remember, like any meetings or anything like that. I wanted to get one last year and we didn't end up getting one, so I figured I'd just go ahead and get it now so we can start using it. And it comes with a magnet. And that's all I got from Target. From Home Goods, I got this. I ended up getting this. What is this? Acrylic. I got this acrylic stand just to like put a whole bunch of random things that I have on my desk right over here. And it's super simple. And I feel like the clear matches with the black and white theme, so I don't have to go like looking for something. And then lastly, what I got from Home Goods is this mirror stand. So it's like, here, let me show you. It's supposed to go like this. So I need to either return the mirror or the stand because it just looks funny together. The mirror is like too small for the stand. This is what it looks like. It's like a cute vibe, and I wanted to like throw a little like fur rug right there just like to spice it up or whatever, but I'm not really feeling this. Like it just looks awkward because it's so small on the stand, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll ask my roommate. And then I didn't end up finding a rug yet. I'll have to find a rug somewhere else and a shoe rack because my shoes are just everywhere. But I guess I'll close out my video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I am planning on doing a full like completed room tour, so stay tuned for that. I definitely want to reach at least 100 subscribers before I do that, so if you guys could help me out and getting to 100 subscribers, then I will definitely post my finished room tour. I do need to find a little bit more decor and then my rug and the shoe rack, so definitely stay tuned. But other than that, I'm out of here.